Hi, I'm Glenn Villar of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog.
Rain Access Solutions.
On this episode, I'm just going to unbox my soldering clamp holder. Oh, what's the scissor? Wait. I'm just gonna come back and find my scissor.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm back with the scissor. Sorry about that. Let's open this package now. So the seller did a good job of packaging my item. So here it says adjustable soldering clamp holder. It's from ProskIt. ProskIt company is a nice brand and I like it. I have a network tester which was made by ProskIt and it was really one of those tools that I really love. So let's open this. So yes, I also bought this from Lazada 3 months ago or 4 months ago, and it just arrived last week. So it has this leaflet which has a little bit of explanation as to what we're going to expect with this item. Sorry about that. I'm just going to turn off my soldering iron because it's getting hot already. So just to see what is written on this paper. Okay, not much. Stick out stuff inside this internal box. Okay, so judging from the looks of it, it seems that this one and the other pair is, and the other one is for the base. But it doesn't say anything about its location, whether it's left or right. So we'll just have to look at the holes here and then we try and match them, right? Okay, let's grab my screwdriver and let's start unscrewing this. So I'm just gonna put in my battery pack first. Now we can set it up. So my drill is getting in the way. So we're just gonna have to use the old school screwdriver. Preferably the longer one, so it doesn't get in the way too. So I didn't know that I have to, you have to assemble this product. I thought that when you buy them, it's already assembled for you, but no. Anyway, it's just a few screws that we need to fix. It's not really that hard. Next. By the way, this is the Proskit SN-390. It's kind of a big soldering clamp, but I like it because it looks sturdy. It's nice too. So let me take off my ID first. It's getting in the way. There you go. So now we have it assembled already, and if you look at it, the base is what's making it adjustable. So this side here is probably to fix it and prevent it from moving when you already have the items clipped in here. Okay, so if you look at this thing, it has a base here and then these two screws on each one of it, each side of it. These are to prevent this bracket here from moving, and this is probably for tightening the here, this side too. Okay, so if you tighten this knob here, it prevents this from freely turning. So you set it on a fixed angle, it won't move anymore. So yeah, let's try and place this small PCB here. So I'm gonna clamp this thing here, loosen it a bit, and locked it. Same goes on the other side. So by the way, they also have this teeth and grooves, so you can push them in to lock this PCB board in place. Now you can adjust the bottom and press them nicely and snug them nicely, and and have it tightened properly. So when it's properly fixed, it won't, move from side to side, and then you can start soldering it right. Okay, so if you look at it, it's sturdy, and oh yeah, if you look at this thing, you can change its angle. You can tilt it downward or upward. So the board will come facing you. So I have my soldering iron here, and I also have my, what's this, metal sponge, so to clean the tip. So let's try. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to try this ProskIt SN-390, if it's a good deal, because I'm going to be making some of this in the future. I'm going to be replacing the old ones because they're not properly giving the right amperage. By the way, this is from our biometrics voltage step down. My colleague in work made this for me, so I can use the 12 volts power supply to power the biometrics machines, which are only 5 volts. Okay, so let's try this. I'm going to desolder this thing here and put it back, see if it's So I have a nicer lead here, which melts really quicker than that one. Let's try and use this up. Melt something in this cable as well. Okay, there you go. Put this back in and remove from the socket. So, look at it. It's sturdy. So it fits snugly now because of this. If it wasn't for this proskit clamp holder, I wouldn't be able to like solder this thing nicely. So let's just loosen it up. Let's see. There you go. So yeah, if you're ever thinking of buying this thing, I recommend that you do because it's really nice to have. Okay guys, if you find my blog useful, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching, and see you again on my next blog. Thank you.